Hello, it's Latanya from Estah Locs and Haircare Salon. And I know you're wondering if I cut my locks off. Well, the answer is no, I did not. But I had to put this wig on in order to demonstrate to my clients that don't have locks how to take care of their own loose natural hair. So this is what I'm doing these days, yo. Anyway, thank you, Johnny May. Thank you, Mama, for letting me use your wig. I sure appreciate it. Anyways, yes. So I have on this wig. It's kind of cute though, right? I think so. I'm gonna let you see what the back of my head looks like with this. Y'all see that? Shameful. I'm shameful. I know it. I have my hair stuffed down the back of my shirt, but not much. Anyway, so what in the world are you gonna do with all the hair on your head? And you have a whole bunch of loose natural hair and you're trying to figure out what in the world you're going to do with it, how you're going to take care of it, what is next. Well, you've seen all my videos on shampooing. You're going to definitely shampoo your hair. First thing, shampoo it twice. Use whatever shampoo you have at your house. I like the baby shampoo only because it's so mild. But if you have some really good products like Design Essentials, Moisture Retention Shampoo, or Affirm, their hydrating shampoo, they are excellent products, but they're pretty concentrated. So you'll have to make sure that you rinse it all out of your hair. So after you've shampooed, then what you're going to want to do is rinse it well. And if you have really thick hair, you're going to have to get in there and really rinse it well. That water's running on it and you're going to just really get that product off of your scalp and off of your hair. All right? I wonder if she'll let me keep this wig. I'll rock it. I don't know what I'm going to do with the hair in the back, but I will rock it. Anyway, so you rinse it really well after you've done 2 shampoos. Okay, scrubbing that scalp really good. Then you're going to condition it. Once you've done your conditioner, whatever conditioner you have is going to be fine. I love Design Essentials Express Conditioner because it does a great job and you don't have to necessarily sit under the dryer with it. But if you do, that's going to help it to go deeper into the cortex of the hair. It's going to go beyond the cuticle, which is the outer layer, and it's going to go deeper into the cortex of the hair, and it's going to moisturize it from the inside out. And it's excellent product because the molecules are really small and it's able to do what it needs to do. So, but if you have any conditioner, some conditioner is better than none at all. But I want you to make sure that you get that conditioner all throughout the hair. Now, how in the world are you going to just have like a little bit in your hand and that's going to condition all of this hair? It's not. So make sure you use enough product. That's really important. All right. Once you've done that, sit to the dryer with it if you can, or walk around the house with the plastic cap for about 15, 20 minutes, tops, maybe 30. I don't know. I wouldn't sit for 30 minutes with conditioner. That'll wear me out. So once you've done that, then what you want to do is rinse it out. Again, remember, rinse it well. Pay your water bill. Don't worry about I'd have been under the sink for so long. Pay your water bill. Rinse the conditioner out your hair. You got to get it all out. And with the hair's thick, it's easy for product to get all tangled and lost. So lift it well and rinse it, okay? After you've done that, now here you are sitting, trying to figure out what in the world you're going to do with all this hair. Well, it's easy. You're going to go one section at a time. Don't look at all your hair and feel defeated already, okay? So I would just say, start with what you can see, okay? Go to the front, get your finger and make a part. Because this is going to help you if you want to wear a curly style like this, okay? So you're going to part the section with your fingers, get your clips, put it in there. Once you made that section, get the clips and put this in there to move all of the other hair out of your way. Okay? The hair in the back, get that out of your way also. Using a clip. And then what you're going to do, this section is wet, right? You're going to use your fingers to comb through. Start at the bottom, okay? And work your way through it. getting all of those tangles out. And sometimes fingers are not going to work, well enough for you. So then you're going to use a wide tooth comb. All right. Once you've done that and you've gotten it all detangled, then you're going to get your product, whatever you're using to twist it with, Design Essentials stretching cream or curl defining cream are excellent. So I'm just using the product and I'm putting it on the section. And so now that I've done that and it's all detangled, I am going to start twisting. All right. You see? Yeah, you can see it. And if you do one section at a time, you don't have to worry about being overwhelmed because you only focus on the section that you're working with. Okay? It's all you have to do. And then if you have a rubber band, you put a rubber band at the end. Sometimes you don't even have to use a rubber band because it is going to do what it wants to do anyway. And so then you have it already twisted. And then you leave that section alone, let it go. If you want your scalp to look like it's really tight, then what you'll do is you will put a clip right here at the top, at the scalp, and that is going to hold it in place. And then you can also, if you don't want your twist to be too loose, because sometimes it will come loose when you're doing it, you can do all of that hard work twisting it and it looks so tight while you're doing it. Next thing you know, it's all puffy and it's looking crazy. I know. So if you don't have a rubber band to put on the end, just grab you a clip and do that. There you go. All right. There you go. Put a clip at the end. Next thing you know, you go ahead and you go to your next section and moving hair out of the way. And you're going to do that. Now, I know I told the people with the starter locks, don't you worry about, having to wash your hair and get in there, just use the cleanser and all that stuff. But if you have loose natural hair, if you don't shampoo it, it's going to look really bad. So make sure you do this throughout your entire head, one section at a time. Use your spray bottle because it's going to start drying out on you, and spray it, that section that you're working with. Use your fingers to detangle and get the dead hair out of it, or get you a wide tooth comb. Now, it's really important that you don't use one of these to try to detangle your hair because you'll end up tearing your hair up and breaking it off. So I don't recommend that you use these. You can use it for parting and you just put it at the root and then just pull the hair apart if you want to do that. But certainly don't comb your hair out, detangle it with that kind of comb. Get a wide tooth comb. Once you're done with all of that, you're going to sit to the dryer. And once you sit to the dryer, and you'll know when your hair is dry, when you come out and you can squeeze it and it doesn't feel wet. All right? Because I don't want you, after you've done all of that work, to come and not have any curls left. All right? Because it's looking all frizzy. And that's what's going to happen, is it's going to be frizzy if you don't let it dry. Once you come from the dryer and you've taken it apart, all you have to do is get you some hair grease, put on the scalp, or you can get our shea butter. That shea butter, is the best. See it? Just a little bit. Get a little bit more. And the one that I'm using is the honey butter. So this is not just regular shea butter that you get from the store. It's way too thick. This is mixed with some other natural ingredients. Everything in this is natural. And so I'm getting it. And once you have it emulsified on your hands, you can go through your parts and you can get it on that scalp like this. And then make sure that you put it on your hair, okay? And then you are ready for the world. How about that? I hope this has encouraged you. It may take you a little while to get used to this, but with this pandemic, we don't know how long you're going to be doing your hair yourself at home. So just take care of yourself and let me know if you have any questions at all. Oh, I forgot to tell you something. If you don't use the Design Essentials stretching cream or defining cream, you can always get the foam, the Lotta Body foam, or any foam that you have at home, and put that on there as you're twisting it, and it'll give you a nice set as well. All right, I hope this helps. Y'all take care, and God bless you, and be safe, and stay home. Bye.